Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Today I'm making a soup. My mother's out of soup and I have a variety of things. I have chickpeas, I have pinto beans, I have a little bit of red kidney beans, I have some barley, and I have some black beans, and then some yellow peas and a ham bone that was in my freezer. So I'm going to make up a nice soup. So I'm washing my beans. You always want to wash your beans because you know, there could be some dirt in them, also some pebbles, so you need to look through them and wash them in the colander. Take a look at this, the twist and chop. Oh my gosh, we're going to use it for the first time together. So I'm making this a soup, and I've got some onion, and I've got some of the celery tops, because I always use the celery tops in soup, because you don't need the rest of the celery for it. So I'm going to throw these in, and we're going to see how this does. Do this just a little bit more, and we don't want to overfill it. I love the size of this. It's a perfect little size, so it doesn't take up too much room in your kitchen, especially in my kitchen. You know, my space is at a premium here. I don't have a huge kitchen, so got some of that there. So we're gonna put the top on, and let's see. Let's do the run or the pulse. Let's just do the run. Do you see it going up and down? Oh my God! I love this. Okay, look at this. Okay, I kind of pureed it a little bit, but that's okay. We have a pulse. I'm going to show you the carrot in a minute with that. Oh, I love this. And now we're going to do some yellow squash. So I'm going to put that in. And one of the things that you can't see is this suction on the bottom, so it doesn't move all around. Or as I used to call it with my daughters, walking off the counter. It's not going to walk off the counter, which I love. So this time we're going to pulse and see how the pulse goes. But you love, I'm going to put it this way so you can see the blade goes up and down, so you're not missing anything. See it going up and down? Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. Now, I liquefied that one too, but that's okay. Because in my soup, I actually don't want big chunks of this. So, look at this. There we go. Look at that. Ah! I love this too. I love this. This is the twist and chop. Okay, so I'm going to do some carrots, and I have a little hairy carrot. So, I'm going to use my pivoting, this is the pivoting peeler. And so, we take off the guard right here. Now, I can do it this way, which is just like this. I don't know if you can see this. It's going to go on my camera. Or I can do it the traditional way. Let me do it with my other hand. Ooh, how come I can't? Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. And here we go. We go this way, too. Okay? So you can do it like towards you, away from you. You can do both sides. Let me do it this way. I'm holding it wrong. And my camera shut off while I was doing this. So it does it this way too. I love this new pivoting peeler. Such a great little tool. I love this. And you know, you really need a good peeler in your house. So that's the pivoting peeler. I love this. It goes both ways, straight or like this. Final thing is carrots. I'm hoping I can do carrots in here. One thing that they don't recommend is that you do nuts in here, because I guess it's too hard. So carrots I'm a little bit nervous about. So we'll see. We're going to see together. Look at this! Oh my gosh. It's got a long thing, and that's because of that twisting and moving up and down. But look at that. Did such a nice job. I love this. The new twist. I want to call it twist and shout, but no, it's the twist and chop. My Deluxe Multi Cooker on sear. I have my onions and my celery and carrots, and then all of the mismatch of beans and split peas and barley, and I have salt and no salt because I have a ham bone in there too. Pepper and herbs de Provence, a little bit of garlic in there, and I'm just going to add water and let this go. probably too much water, but one never knows. So here's how I'm going to put the cover on. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And I'm going to hit cancel. And then I'm going to go to beans. And it says 25 minutes, but I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to do it 25 minutes. I'm actually going to do it an hour because I find that my beans unsoaked take a little bit longer. So I'm going to put it on, you know what? I'm going to put it on a little bit longer than that too. An hour and 10 and see what happens. And then I'm just going to hit. And there it goes. It's going to come up to pressure and then cook for the hour and 10 minutes and my soup should be done. I will add, I think, a little bit of spinach. I have some fresh spinach, so I'll add that. So it had cooled down, but this is what it came out and it was delicious.